Also, as you can see, the height of the chenille needle between the needle plate. This distance can be adjusted according to the material you are going to embroider. In our factory, we embroider on this very thin material. So here you can see we make the distance between is not very big. But for you, if you embroider on thick material like a jacket, like a leather, you need to adjust the height of this needle nib, chenille needle, and the needle plate. Here has a screw. You can lose this screw and adjust it higher. So this chenille needle will be higher from the needle plate. And when you adjust it, make sure this needle is in the center of the needle plate, like this. Here you see the chenille needle is in the center of the needle plate. And 是哪一个按键啊，领导？And on this button, you can make it to the center. You can press this button to adjust the needle position. Left, middle, and right. Make sure you adjust the height when the chenille needle is in the center. And the chenille needle position is adjusted by this red button. And this is for controlling the air pumper.